In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and manage expenses in Zoho Invoice. This is a straightforward process, but it's vital for managing your business finances efficiently. Let's dive in. First, you need to log into your Zoho Invoice account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up and set one up for your business to fully utilize this great tool for managing your invoicing tasks. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar where you'll see various options for managing your finances. Now you want to look for and click on the Expense tab on the sidebar. This is where you'll be managing all your expense records. Once you've clicked on Expense, you'll notice a button that says Plus New Expense or an icon next to the Expenses module. Clicking this will allow you to create a new expense entry. This leads us to filling in the expense details. This is a crucial step because you need to ensure that all details are correct for proper tracking and accounting. Begin by entering the date of the expense. This is important for keeping your financial records organized and accurate. Next, select the category that best fits the expense. This could range from travel expenses to office supplies or any category that you've set up in your Zoho account. Once you have your date and category, enter the amount spent. Make sure your entry is accurate to avoid discrepancies in your records. You might also want to add any other relevant details like a brief description of the expense to provide further context. If you have a supporting document such as a receipt, consider uploading this next. Uploading receipts is not mandatory, but it's a good practice as it serves as further validation of your expense claims and can be invaluable when undergoing audits or justifying expenses to management. In case the expense is billable to a specific customer, choose the customer from your list. This is useful if you need to track expenses per client or bill them later. If you're intending to invoice the expense to a client, make sure to mark the expense as billable. This way, it's easier to add it to an invoice later. Once all the fields are filled out to your satisfaction, it's time to save your work. Click either Save if you're done, or Save and New if you want to immediately enter another expense. Choosing the latter is handy for entering multiple expenses quickly. And that's it! You've successfully recorded an expense in Zoho Invoice. This process is designed to help you keep a tight handle on your expenditure, ensuring that your financial records are both precise and accessible. Keeping your expenses organized not only aids in clear financial insights, but also helps in making informed business decisions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.